Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a new knife for 2023. This is the Benchmade Bailout in aluminum and partially serrated blade. The part number is 537SGY-03. Inspired by and built for tactical situations, the Bailout is an ultralight but strong knife. This makes a great tool to have in the safety services industry. It has a diamond texture anodized 6061-T1 aluminum handle. It also includes a CPM-M4 steel Tanto blade, which measures 3.3 inches long. And it is partially serrated, as you can see here. The closed length is going to be 4.69 inches, and the open length total is 8.09 inches. So the blade also features a low profile colorway in Tungsten Gray Cerakote finish with a black handle and a glass breaking tool here on the end. So these cost $270 with free shipping at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Like this video because that is free and easy to do, and that helps us out a lot. It also alerts you to new items that are gonna be coming out the rest of 2023, and then the SHOT Show is just in January of 2024 when a lot of new products will be released. Also, again, make sure to like this, share this with your friends and family so they know what's coming out in the future as well. Thank you for watching.